Hi everyone, today we get to read a really fun book called Whistle for Willie by Ezra Jack Keats. And the first thing you might notice is the fun colors. Look at that background. You have pink and orange and yellow bricks. You have a dog and a little boy trying to whistle. So our essential question today says, what sounds can you hear? How are they made? Read about a boy who wants to whistle. Okay, and I love the artwork. It's just beautiful. Oh, how Peter wished he could whistle. He saw a boy playing with his dog. Whenever the boy whistled, the dog ran straight to him. Peter tried and tried to whistle, but he couldn't. So instead he began to turn himself around, around and around he whirled, faster and faster. When he stopped, everything turned down and up and down and around and around. Peter saw his dog, Willie, coming. Quick as a wink, he hid in an empty carton lying on the sidewalk. Wouldn't it be funny if I whistled? Peter thought. Willie would stop and look all around to see who it was. Peter tried again to whistle, but still he couldn't. So Willie just walked on. Peter got out of the carton and started home. On the way he took some colored chalks out of his pocket and drew a long, long line right up to his door. He stood there and tried to whistle again. He blew till his cheeks were tired, but nothing happened. He went into his house and put on his father's old hat to make himself feel more grown up. He looked into the mirror to practice whistling. Still no whistle. When his mother saw what he was doing, Peter pretended that he was his father. He said, "I've come home early today, dear. Is Peter here?" His mother answered, "Why, no, he's outside with Willie." "Well, I'll go out and look for them," said Peter. First he walked along a crack in the sidewalk. Then he tried to run away from his shadow. He jumped off his shadow, but when he landed, they were together again. He came to the corner where the carton was, and who should he see but Willie? Peter scrambled under the carton. He blew and blew and blew. Suddenly, out came a real whistle. Willie stopped and looked around to see who it was. "It's me," Peter shouted and stood up. Willie raced straight to him. Peter ran home to show his father and mother what he could do. They loved Peter's whistling. So did Willie. Peter's mother asked him and Willie to go on an errand to the grocery store. He whistled all the way there, and he whistled all the way home. So isn't that a fun story? I just really enjoy that story. It says, meet Ezra Jack Keats. Ezra Jack Keats sold his first painting when he was 8 years old. When he grew up, he created many books for children. He used cutout paper and a special type of paste to make the bright pictures. He won many awards for his work, but he was most pleased by letters from children who had read his books. And then at the bottom it says, Ezra Jack Keats wanted to write about a boy who wished he could whistle. Write about something you wish you could do. Tell why you want to do it. Okay, well that was a really fun story. I will talk to you all later. Bye everyone.